Alright, better pull up the stairs. Walk around and do it, or you're gonna disconnect the I figured I'd wait until now to call because I'm here getting the kids off the bus. And he is on his way. He should be there shortly. I made sure this time there's 2 gallons of milk, a bag with 3 pounds of coffee, and your seasonings. I made sure of it this time. All right. All right, yeah, we can. All right, yeah, I can do that. I know how to make things with them. I took hamburger patties this one time, and I used it like a, you know what people would make the ground beef over like their lasagna before they bake it? Like the hamburger patties. Down. Yeah, I told Mickey, because the classes are getting harder with the school, I told him to do it while he's at your place. And then when he comes home, we'll do it. Right now, I'm still having to work on this PowerPoint. I told him, I said, I'll work on it while you're gone. I'm still waiting to hear back about the AC. I've been checking daily, and I decided if I don't hear anything soon, I'm going to phone
¡Motocicleta! ¡No sé! ¡Avión! ¡Nave espacial! ¡Auto de carreras! ¡Motocicleta! ¡Nave espacial! ¡Avión! ¡Sorpresa!
He would be on the school bus because of his autism.
¡La, la, la!
I just got
¡Violeta! ¡Azul!
I'm going to put diapers in his bag.
¡Sandalias! ¡Wow!
That's the cool thing about my kids. They don't care if it's a boy or a girl, as long as it's a book bag.
¡Amarillo!
Their stuff.
¡Yeah! ¡Sol!
And Fortnite will go to
¡Amarillo! ¡Marrón! ¡Verde! ¡Palmera! ¡Palmera!
Tinker, do you want Avengers or Come here. Well, girls, come here so you can see the book bag. So that's
¡Sandalias! ¡Sol! ¡Palmera!
Alright, so Meredith's going to take
¡Flotador!
so you take it out this Fortnite. And
Hola, hola.
See, I figure I'll take her to the bus and everything, and if the bus says no, I figure if the bus says no, I will call the school. If the bus don't show up here, that's that too, and I'll call the school and find out what's going on. Well, the thing is transportation out here, they have one bus that picks up here from the school they're going to. Usually we get a letter before telling us the bus, as well as a letter from the school saying they've been successfully enrolled. I enrolled them, I got emails saying, oh, they were enrolled, but I never got anything else after that. Not the class, nothing. So, nope, they didn't email me or anything. So I figure if they don't get picked up tomorrow, I'll call school. Oh, that's fine. I figure if I call, at least they see I'm trying and I ain't gonna get in trouble. You know, it's getting it done. And if they need a copy of the birth certificate, I'll tell them straight out. Tell me the email. Send me the birth certificate.